Welcome back. Remember, we're still live on YouTube and also on various platforms at KBC channel, where now we get right into it. And Broadcasting and Telecommunication Principal Secretary Professor Prof.Kisiang'ani says there is need to integrate ICT policies at the regional and continental level to facilitate cross-border interconnections, strengthen competition and narrow the digital divide. Now here is Nduta Mukami with details.
The first preparatory meeting for the World Telecommunications Development Conference attracted participation by government and private sector institutions drawn from Africa. They are developing common protocols to enable countries seamlessly facilitate communication without interference. They say this could be easily achieved if countries harmonize telecommunication standards.
We can capitalize on our relationship with the ITU to ensure that we expand the services, the digital services for our people. And we wish that the rest of Africa picks on this as a big agenda, because the more people go on the digital platform, the more we do business with each other on a 24-hour basis. We narrow distances, and we do not need to travel long distances in order to have things done.
They believe adoption of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence will help Africa overcome gaps in a number of key sectors, including agribusiness, communications and financial growth, as well as unlock jobs.
The thematic priorities range from affordable connectivity and universal connectivity and meaningful connectivity to enabling environment, which we have to create, of course, through the Global Symposium for Regulators and other initiatives.
We are aware of the emerging issues in ICT, such as artificial intelligence, whose potential impact on our economies and societies is yet to fully unravel. Forging responsive regulatory regimes will require that we work collectively as countries, juxtaposing our individual realities against rapidly evolving global trends.
They are also keen on enhanced collaborations to mitigate cross-border cyber threats.
Cybersecurity if it is not addressed as urgently as it's required, the threats that come from this domain have capacity to bring down governments. They can completely destroy the data that we have in government. So it's important to take that seriously. And as you expand your access, you expand your infrastructure, the threats go up.
This comes ahead of the World Telecommunications Development Conference that is slated for 2025. Nduta Mukami for Prime Edition.